U MLA ka Congress na Rambrai Jerngam constituency ba Kimfa Marbanyang ula ong baka jingshim rai jong ki MLA ka party Congress lakin dang yakun em ya ke election arjar arpulai na ka party Congress kan long hakarai jong ki nongkershan jong ki lada ki nongkershan hau arjar arpulai ki sngo ba kamen toy shu ban yakun na ka Congress ngin sapej hangta ba lada ki rai bang ngindei bandang yaine ngin yaine ba ka party Congress bat kanekan omdei tang yanga Henry ya baro hi laong ba Marbanyang. Ulaong ru baka jingmi no baro ki MLA ki MDC bat ki nongkit kam na ka party Congress kadai namar baki brio ha Garo Hills ki bot ya unong yalam Henry kanekan om pentlot bor ya kaseng Congress namar baki datang ki nong yalam ki bapenya so syaka AITC om ki nong kershan jong ka Congress. Bat ula kamru baka seng Congress kam kuslai namar hamman ki constituency kaladan lupa lai hajar lane saw hajar ka vote bank.
Leader comes and goes in any party, not only in Congress, in any other party also. So now we need to understand the people first, whether they are still with the Congress or they are planning to not support the Congress. As far as we can see, the people still want the Congress to be in power, and they wanted the leaders to remain intact. Now the reaction of the people, most of the reaction of the people in especially Khasi Jante Hills, that they'll remain with the party. They are still intact and they'll remain with the party. Now how far can the other party goes and convince them, that's a different thing. But we also from our side, we are trying to build up the party, then strengthen it by organizing in a different way in order to keep our people intact and the party intact. No, that jumping to another party is a second thing, because you see, whether will remain in the party or not, that's a different question. But now we have to look to the people of the state, whether they will want us to or not. If the people want us to be in the party and support us, then it's very good. Otherwise, if the people doesn't want us and will say that there's no point of remaining in the Congress, you better shift your alliance to somewhere else, then we have to think about it. Because you see, today I might say something else, tomorrow something else will happen. Like we have seen in the past, the 12 of them suddenly move out to AITC. So it's very difficult to predict the political scenario in Meghalaya. So maybe till the last I might remain, I'll be alone. But what about the others? I can't say that they'll jump or not. So the question is like, it's not only about me remaining in the party or not. I'll be there for the people, I'll be there with the party. But what about the others? We have seen leaders, we have seen our friends who has worked very hard for the party, but in the last moment they have jumped, which we don't have any word to say about it. So that is the big question for us.
Just a follow-up question. What future lies ahead for Congress right now?
You see what the people now in the state want. They want Congress to come back in power. So the future of our leaders depend on not only us, but depend on the party workers, depend on the frontline workers, depend on our supporters also. Now, who will come to our party from other party, we don't know. Which other leader will come back to the Congress party, we don't know. So, let this festival season go on. Then after the festival season, we will come to know that what is the next move of the party. You see, sometimes in politics, Meghalaya is a very different state. In Garo Hills, they support the leader and they move along with the leader. But one thing is that like the people, whether they'll support the AITC or not, that is the question. Now we can see only leaders from the district, leaders from like the MDCs, the MLAs has moved on. But what about the people? Will they accept what they have given the mandate in 2018? They have supported the Congress. They have not supported the ITC. So it'll be difficult for the people to accept whether you talk it in Garo Hills or the Khasi Hills, Khasi Jaintia Hills. So if the people are convinced by what the ITC is doing, then maybe they'll go for the ITC. But if the people are not convinced, I think they'll remain with the Congress. So the convincing part is still there. We know that in each and every constituency, 3,000 to 4,000 Congress vote banks are always there. So whether you're able to move that 3,000 vote bank of the Congress, now moving that will be difficult, and you'll need time, and you'll need to spend a lot of time with the people, and again you need to spend resources. And once you start moving, you need to do all the groundwork. Then secondly, you need to mobilize, and you have to ask the party workers to attend to the people and to enroll the people in the party. So that is a big question whether the people will accept it or not.